Now this is again a very simple problem which has been given where A is this matrix and we need to find A power 4. Now given a problem like this, as soon as you look at the problem, you should be able to write the answer as I. Now if you observe this matrix, now what is the trick here? The trick here is if you observe this matrix A, this matrix A is the mirror image of the identity matrix. We know that the identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this matrix is a matrix which is the mirror image of the identity matrix I, right? So here if we multiply this matrix with itself, that means if I take A square, we get the identity matrix. So if you remember this, then it's very easy to solve a problem, right? So please keep in mind, if I take A into A, so I multiply this matrix twice, so I have 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. So just observe, first row into first column I get 1, then the first row into second column I get 0 0. So similarly I end up getting 0, second row into second column gives me 1 and 0, and then here I get 0 0 1. Okay, so just multiply these two matrices, you get the identity matrix I. Okay, so all you need to do is, if you get a matrix which is the mirror image of the identity matrix, then the square of that matrix is the identity matrix I, right? So I need A power 4, which can be written as A square into A square, which is I into I, which is I. So the answer is B. Okay, so what you need to remember is that given a matrix A, which happens to be a mirror image of the identity matrix, the square of this matrix gives me I. Okay, now in case you are asked to find A cube, now in that case you should be able to write it as A. Okay, so maybe in the next entrance, so if you're appearing for common K or any other entrance, suppose you get a problem where you need to find A cube. So just remember that if you have a matrix A like this, A square is I, so A cube will be A. Okay, so thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out for all the videos in the playlist KCET to get the solutions of all the problems of KCET 2020.